next week, going in for the shingles shot. Everybody tells me it's painful.
It is.
Second one is worse.
It may or may not be.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
The first shot, nothing.
Mhm.
It's like, and
First one, not too bad.
and
Second one.
my wife was knocked out on the first one.
Okay, when you all say it's painful, is the actual needle going into the
No,
arm?
no,
vein?
It's the after. It's the.
It makes you feel like you're sick, but
Yeah.
it'll like magically disappear in 24 hours. I mean, you'll suddenly go like you were never sick at all.
So do I need to set up a
The second
time for people to bring me meals? Is that what you're all telling me?
for 24 hours, if it affects you, but it may not affect you like that.
Yeah.
Let me just tell you, I'm weak with regards to that.
But you have to get it done. Having shingles is so horrible.
Oh,
I mean,
no.
it's intensely painful.
Somebody told me their relative ended up with shingles in the ear.
Oh, that sounds
Can you
awful.
imagine?
That
My
sounds so
sister
bad.
had it on her leg, so she had to sit on it. That was.
My dad ended up getting shingles. He was an older person, and it was just terrible. I mean,
Well, they say the only thing they can do is give you shots to.
The courtroom shifts from casual laughter about a shingles shot to a stark reminder. Health can wait. Justice cannot. In this chamber, lives pivot on decisions. While officials joke about needing meals after vaccines, outside these walls, someone waits for freedom. In this place, pain isn't a needle, it's sentencing, time in consequence.
Deaden the nerves or something.
Right. Now, the Shingrix that was not a fun vaccine, but it's worth getting.
Well, I'm gonna get, Deputy Laura, I'm gonna get the shingle shot. And you all need to get a group together to make sure I have meals. They tell me it's very painful.
I just got mine.
Was it painful?
So I'll tell you my experience. The shot itself isn't painful. What you have sight pain. Feels like somebody.
So your arm is sore.
I did get sick on the first one for about 18 hours, half of flu, but then poof, it goes away. The second one, nothing except injection pain, and that really hurt. To be honest.
What, the injection pain?
Yeah, you can't move your arm.
You're gonna have a sore arm.
You're using an elephant needle?
But we're all different. No, I don't know what it is. I really don't. It's a normal needle. But yeah, I had a lot of side pain.
Well, I can't take pain.
Skip it.
You're gonna have a
Roll
sore
the
arm.
dice. Dice. Probably not gonna get it. You'll be fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Oh, James, we probably want to get Lane Kiffin, roll the dice.
He hadn't said anything yet?
Oh, no, he accepted. You know, it was difficult to
He did?
choose the 94 million, I think, over the 9 million. You know, it's very difficult. I really enjoyed my time.
I would have taken the 94 million.
But how would you have expressed yourself? Would you have said, this is so difficult, I had to pray over it and discuss things with my family?
Well, if you're gonna BS people, just say it's not about the money. I know everyone will say it is, but it's not.
Yes.
It is more money, but I love this institution and I had a great time here. I have a new opportunity. I'm interested in a new opportunity.
You know what? Lane Kiffin needs to hire.
Money, power, and priorities. $94 million for a football coach, but nothing for a student needing books. The court echoes with disbelief. A judge reflects on her own struggle through law school without money, finding solace in library aisles. Education and justice collide, revealing who society chooses to lift and who it leaves behind.
Hire you as a spokesperson.
I'll just take 1% of his 94 million. Work.
I told them they could have hired me for 2 million.
I didn't hear he made the decision though, but
No, he did. And they paid the last coach his full salary because they said he was fired without cause.
Kelly,
Yeah, we don't say his name.
sorry. Well,
Who must not be named.
wasn't Ole Miss gonna match? I thought I heard that too. Whatever LSU.
You know, it's amazing that all of these schools can match $94 million. But if there's a student who says, hey, I'm qualified to be at your school, but I can't afford books. Is there sorry, we don't have any funding for you. But we found $94 million.
Priorities.
Yeah,
Sad.
Gotta pay your coaches.
yeah, so I went through law school without books. It wasn't in my budget. So the library and I were best friends.
I'm ready when you are.
I'm ready.
Yes, ma'am. I have Jessica Cantu on page 5, 4 down.
Jessica Cantu.
That's what we're about to talk to you about.
Okay.
Just fire transfer.
All right. All right, make you happy.
Okay.
Hold on one second. We'll have her address you, okay?
Hello. So what is happening with this case?
Judge, I think Ms. Cantu and I are having a difficult time communicating with each other, and she would like to be represented by other counsel.
All right. Are you able to afford an attorney?
That's what I was trying to explain to him, that my dad, he came to see me.
Jessica stands before the court, struggling between fear and hope. She dreams of one request, Christmas with her family, but the law is immovable. A jury trial looms tomorrow, and there is no time left to delay. In this moment, justice is cold, mechanical, and final, while a young woman's world trembles.
He said that he was going to try to get me another attorney and to bail me out, since I didn't know the bail bonds were like $5,000 and $2,000 or something like that, and he might have them by this week.
All right. So this case has been going on since November.
Yes.
So it's going to be recalled for tomorrow. And you'll either be in jury trial or either you'll have a new attorney. And if you have a new attorney legally, according to the law, they don't get 10 days because you've hired an attorney. So if we're not already in trial, you're going to be in trial tomorrow.
Is there any way that I could I don't know how to name, Pierre Vaughn had came to see me, and I don't know if there's any way I could spend some time with my family, like Christmas and stuff like that.
I'm sorry, what?
If there's any way that I could spend time with my family, like Christmas and New Year's.
Your jury trial is going to happen tomorrow.
Hmm.
And if you want to speak to your attorney about your options, you're more than welcome to speak to your attorney about your options. But you have two cases, and according to what's on the docket, both of those are state jail felonies. I don't know if there's been any enhancements. So on those two cases, the range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, I'm sorry, he was talking about taking it to trial. That's what he mentioned.
All right, so we'll be back here tomorrow. They'll have you dressed for trial.
Okay, we could take it to trial.
Sure.
Yeah, okay. Could I do that?
Yes.
Okay.
Counsel, do you want a bench trial or a jury trial? With a bench trial, the person who will decide whether you're guilty or not guilty will be the court, which is me. What I can tell you, if the state proves their case beyond a reasonable doubt, I'm going to find you guilty. If they don't, I'm going to find you not guilty.
Is there any way that I could reset for like about a week from now, so I get enough money to
No.
Okay.
This is a state jail felony, and it's been going on for a while now. It's a relatively simple case.
about a 12.4?
That has to do with punishment, and you'll need to speak to your attorney about that. So if you want to talk to him and talk to the state, and y'all can discuss offers, and if there's an agreement, the court will hear it. All right, thank you.